Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of drones. Today, we're diving into the exciting realm of aerial photography and videography with a focus on finding the best quietest drone with a camera. If you're a passionate content creator or simply an adventure enthusiast looking to capture breathtaking moments from above without disturbing the peace, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a professional filmmaker or a hobbyist seeking to elevate your visual storytelling, this video is tailored just for you. So, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, because we're about to take your drone game to new heights. Ready? Let's soar into the world of the best quietest drones with cameras. Number 1. DJI Mini Pro 3. The DJI Mini Pro 3 is a recent upgrade to the Mini Pro 2, reviewed below. It's not my top overall pick because it's quite a bit more expensive than the Mavic Mini. However, if you want a major upgrade in camera quality, it might be worth paying extra. As you can see, it offers 4K resolution at 60 FPS, which is pretty much top-tier video quality based on current technology. Of course, for this to be worthwhile, you'll need a 4K TV or computer monitor. The battery can last up to 34 minutes, which is significantly more than the other DJIs on this list. As such, I wouldn't recommend upgrading for battery improvements. Generally speaking, DJI has reached the peak of lithium-ion battery energy density for drones, so you won't find much better flight times than these. Despite us not having a specific decibel rating, the Mini Pro 3 is pretty quiet. You can check out this video for a sound test comparison between the Mini 2 and Mini 3. The latter emits 61 to 62 decibels of noise when level with the microphone, 3 feet from the noise meter. Those values can vary with wind conditions, so expect some discrepancies from one test to another. The main takeaway of the test is that the Mini 3 appears around 4 to 6 decibels quieter than the Mini 2, which is a big improvement. Number 2. DJI Mavic Mini 2 Quiet Drone. The DJI Mavic Mini 2 has a noise level of 64 decibels and flight at 3 feet distance. In short, this is a biffed-up version of the DJI Mavic Mini above while keeping the same dimensions, 55 by 32 by 22 in. However, it does come at a cost as it's around 50% more expensive than its above predecessor. The Mini 2 is noticeably quieter than the original Mavic Mini. The latter has a higher pitch, while the Mini 2 is low pitch and more pleasant to the ear. It's worth mentioning that the Mavic Mini 2 is one of the quietest in the DJI Mavic lineup. The higher-end DJI Mavic Air 2, for example, is louder with a noise emission of 74 decibels, 2 feet away. The quadcopter features a 4K camera instead of the 2.7K camera. It has a 4x zoom feature if you're into that. Moreover, the camera is mounted on the same 3-axis gimbal for better stability when shooting videos. Number 3. Parrot Anafi Drone. The Parrot Anafi is a worthy challenger to the Mavic Mini 2. Its noise level is around the same as the Mavic Mini 2 above, 64 decibels at 3 feet in outdoor conditions. The video here compares both models indoors, so don't pay too much attention to the absolute decibel values, instead, observe that their average decibel is the same. As such, the Parrot Anafi is incredibly quiet for a drone, but the counterpart is its price. It's more expensive than the Mavic Mini 2. As expected, it comes with premium features such as a 4K, 30 FPS video camera, and a 21MP photo resolution. You could even go as far as shooting in 4K cinematic, 4096x2160, 24 FPS. The camera has a hybrid 3-axis gimbal. Roll and pitch are mechanical, and the yaw axis is digital. I would have preferred a full mechanical gimbal. It can resist gusts blowing up to 31 miles per hour, earning it a wind resistance level of 6. This is better than both Mavic Mini and Mavic Mini 2. Number 4. Ruco F11 GIM. While the Ruco F11 GIM doesn't list a decibel rating, users state it's comparatively quieter than other drones they've used. The manufacturer lists the drone's brushless motor as a noise-reducing feature. However, considering the main noise source is the propellers, this isn't saying much. It's another portable drone, which is useful for transportation. Luckily, it comes with a carry case to protect it while it's in your bag. The case also has space for the included controller and spare battery, each with 28 minutes of flight time, which is helpful. The included camera is 4K and it has stabilization features to reduce image blur. You can fit it with the memory card for video storage, but you can also watch the video on your smartphone during flight. To collect footage at 4K, make sure to use the SD card. You could download the photos and videos via your phone, but it bottlenecks the resolution to 2K. Number 5. DJI Mavic Mini Quiet Drone. The DJI Mavic Mini has a noise level of 71 decibels and flight at 3 feet distance, making it a lovely and quiet drone compared to other models in the same price range. It manages this thanks to the shape and size of its blades, as they generate thrust with fewer rotations than other models. This is mainly why it's my top pick. Granted, other entries on this list have better cameras, but it's the only entry that we can find an actual noise rating for. Also, as you can read below, 71 decibels at 3 feet distance is on the quieter end of the spectrum for recreational drones. Check out the video below for more details about the noise measurement of 71 decibels. It comes equipped with a 2.7K resolution camera. Again, this isn't the highest definition camera you'll find on a drone, but it's enough to capture decent video and photos. Other models in the DJI range, like the DJI Mavic Mini 2, come with a 4K camera, but it's much more expensive.